Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today guys, it's that time to share with you guys my new setup that I've been playing around with on my iOS 14 device on my iPhone 11. And this setup, I'm calling it the HYPEBEAST setup. So this is the reason why I'm calling it the HYPEBEAST setup. So let's check it out. So as you can see right here, of course, I am using a different type of setup here that of course has this HYPEBEAST feel to it. And so let's get started. So first, of course, the icons. That's like the biggest eye catcher right there is the Air Max 90s. So this icon pack is actually designed by a designer called Jeremy Booth. And these icons have been making waves like in like hypebeast.com has written about them. Other sites have like also written about them as well. And so yeah, I decided to why not just try this icon pack out and try this setup and see if you guys like it. So yeah, the icons are just of course the Air Max 90, so as you can see. But what I like about these designs here is that it matches the icon logo as well. So like the App Store, it has, of course, you have this blue look to it, nice blue, light blue and dark blue feel to it. When you go to the fitness app right there, you'll have of course the activity rings of course are 3 different colors. So also the Air Max 90s right there are also other colors as well, and same like with the HYPEBEAST app right there. So yeah, it's just really cool, and it's really unique. Of course, like this icon pack will probably make your setup really cool, and you'll probably stand out of course when you show off to your friends your setup right here. So of course on the left side, of course, I have my widgets there. So I have this app, this widget called Widgie, which is an amazing widget app. Like it is like making waves on the iOS community because how awesome this app is. So yeah, it's just nice and simple. I have of course the iPhone icon right there on the widget to show the wallpaper that I'm currently rocking, of course. And then of course it has the battery life as well. So because since Apple for some reason does not allow the percentage to show off on the home screen when you're normally using the iPhone, of course. And then it has the calendar, so what day it is today as well. And then below that, of course, we have Widgetsmith. So Widgetsmith, of course, is a great widget app as well. And of course here I have it to show what day it is. And also this awesome cool photo just to make the feel, like I said, the HYPEBEAST feel to it. The Air Max right there as well. And this cool, I got the photo from Unsplash, so you could go and get it right there for free as well. And of course, what's also awesome about this icon pack that this designer has released is that not only do you get this icon pack as well, but you get also of course a black wallpaper, since it does go with this since like if you don't have a black wallpaper then it won't look really good, the icon pack setup. But also he includes this nice cool little widget, the Nike box right there, which is really nice and neat to complement of course the shoes and the icon design that I'm going for here. And also I changed the wallpaper, like the black, everything is really neat and everything, but I wanted something else, so I found this one on Splash that has the Tesla of course below it, and it just looks really neat. But like I said, there's a ton of icon support for this icon pack as well. And like on my next page right here, of course, I have of course Fantastical on the top right there, of course, to show me the calendar. And of course, as you can see, the other applications that I currently use right now as well. And I just love, like I said, I just love these like the design look of these shoes and how they match the icon as well, of the colors of the icon pack as well. So yeah, and then of course I have social widgets below right there. So yeah, like I said, there's a ton of support for these for this icon pack, for a lot of the icons that you probably use, and I highly recommend you guys use this icon pack and check it out, because it is really nice. And if you're like a shoe collector, if you're into this type of stuff, then I think you're going to love this icon pack as well. And if you're not a shoe collector, I think you're just gonna like the uniqueness of this icon pack, because you're gonna stand out from the crowd as well on with your iPhone setup right now. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Now please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.